Happy birthday, Kulas!
Stay
Stay healthy
and
and
happy.
happy.
Play outside na.
Stay outside na.
Oh, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Kulas!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Nicolas.
Hi, Kulas. Happy birthday. I wish you, ano ba? Fun, more adventures with your sister Nala, and more toys, of course. Hello. Happy birthday, and enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Kulas!
Happy birthday, Kulas! Enjoy your day!
Hi Kulas, this is your Nino Mar. I wish you a happy birthday and may you have more birthdays to come. Always be a good boy and love your parents and always pray to God. Again, happy birthday. Enjoy your day.
Hi, Kulas. TLBMB here, wishing you a happy birthday. Be a good boy always. Bye-bye. Enjoy the day.
Happy birthday, Kulas. Sana lumakas palalo boses mo.
Happy birthday, Kulas! Spider-Man!
Birthday, Kulas.
See you soon.
See you soon. Happy birthday, Kulas.
Happy birthday, Kulas.
Huggy-wuggy. Happy birthday, Kulas. Enjoy your special day. Always remember that we're always here for you. And if you're here, Ate Charlie will always take care of you and make you feel at home. And we're always here to guide you and to protect you. Okay?
Happy birthday, Kulas.
Happy birthday. Bye. See you here. Bye.
Bye-bye. Happy birthday, Kulas. We miss you. Always be a good boy.
God bless you, Kulas.
See you
See you
soon.
soon. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Bye.
Bye.
Hello! Good morning, Kulas! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Kulas! Enjoy your day and have fun. Be a good boy always. Follow your mom and dad and tatay and don't hurt anyone. Be a good boy always. Always remember, I love you so much, Mama. Mama loves you. Take care of yourself. Be good.
Happy birthday, Kulas. Enjoy your day. Love ka ni Lolo, love ka ni Mama La, love ka ni Tita Yanyan, Kuya Mark, Tatay, and Tita Nadine. Lumaki ka sana na isang mabait na bata at hindi ka matigas ang ulo. Mahal na mahal ka namin lahat.
Happy birthday, Kulas!
May you have a great day today. I wish you all the best as you grow, and also I am very proud of you and what you've become. I am very happy to see you become a very loving kid, caring to your parents, caring to ate and mom, tatay. So I wish you all the best, all the happiness in the world. Stay healthy, and remember always that Tita loves you, Tita Micah loves you, and I really love your silly jokes and your silly faces that always makes us laugh. So thank you so much for everything, and stay happy and loving as always.
Happy birthday, Kulas! Take care always. I love you. I'm hungry. You need to feed me.
Happy birthday, Kulas! Inaanak ko. Maging good boy ka. Maging healthy boy ka. Maging God-fearing ka. Mahalin mo parents mo at si Ate Nala. And enjoy life. Ingat parati. Happy birthday, and we love you always and forever.
Hi, Kulas! Happy birthday!
Thank you.
I love you. I wish you become a good boy and you grow up to be kind and loving and sweet and nice kid. Nicholas Kitties. I love you so much. Mwah. Bye.
Oh, ikaw pala yun, Kulas. Happy birthday! I hope maging kagaya ka ni Ate Nala na mabait na bata. I love you. Enjoy your day. Bye!
Saan yan? Ay, siguro pa din. Happy birthday ah. O sige, balik na ako ah.
Again. To you.
Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Kulas. Happy birthday, Kulas.
Laway ano, laway.
Yay! Happy birthday.
Happy birthday,